We've worked thousands of hours to do our very best and make everyone happy. And now we're ready to celebrate because we've just received an amazing review we're excited to share. Take a look. When someone takes the time to specifically mention the great service they received, it allows us to know that we're doing a great job and we're meeting our commitment to unparalleled service. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.